Welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to jump on here real quick and let you guys know that I was not going to be able to do a video today or tomorrow. I will be doing one Monday, but I am actually getting ready to go out of town. My husband and I are going up to into Georgia, and we are going to be with Melina and the Pylant family in service tomorrow up in Butler, Georgia. Melina is been scrapbooking with me, and Melina Pylant on YouTube. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick update so that you didn't think I had forgot about you. I do have lots of things coming up. I actually started working with wax seals. Yes, how cool. As you can see, I still have to perfect them. So that is something though that I plan on doing Monday. I plan on doing some tags with using these as dangles and using the little ball pins. So that is coming up. I do have a lot of stuff going on. I did just release the new paper collection. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I love it. Absolutely love it. Probably one of my favorite paper collections that I've done, believe it or not. And it was the hardest and the one that took the longest to do because of the stitching that I put on it. Imagine that. Oh well. Anyway, I have to get going. I still have lots of stuff to pack. I have been doing a bunch of fussy cutting. Hang on. Okay. So I am taking this stuff up to Melina for Miss Edith. We have a bunch of tickets. Look at all of these tickets. Look at that. Haha, isn't that beautiful? Love it. My little scan and cut has earned its keep this week. And then this is a bunch of greenery. What else do I have? Let me see. This is a bunch of old tickets. Look at all of them. Look at this. Ah, how beautiful. I love it. Look at all of that. How cool. I've had so much fun with my scan and cut this week. I'm telling you. And then this is like a bunch of like journal top cards. What is in this one? Butterflies. Look at all of those butterflies. Look at that. Can you guys see? Butterflies, all different sizes. And then what else? Some mushrooms. What else do I have? Oh, these are some of the well-tail punches. And then this is just like some Victorian type objects, you know, like shoes and stuff. Little birds. A bunch of birds. These are like labels. These are those stitch slots like Tim Holtz has. Some of these are my new paper collection. Yes, those are so cute. I love them. These are just a few flowers. Roses. And then this is just a couple of miscellaneous stuff. And then the last one I'm going to leave as a surprise. I think it will be Melina and Edith's favorite one, to be quite honest with you. So that's why I want to leave it as a surprise. Anyway, guys, I'm going to get off of here because I have so much to do so that I can get out of town. But I just wanted to jump on here and tell you guys that I will be back on Monday. And Monday I will be announcing the giveaway on how to enter the giveaway. And I had thought about putting together like a pack of just like a gift basket, but I thought probably what I'll do is I'm just going to do a $50 Etsy gift card, and actually we'll do it for this video. So to enter the drawing for the $50 Etsy for my shop Etsy, Betty's Custom Design. So to enter to win that $50 gift card to my shop, you need to like this video, comment on this video and then share the video or share my channel. Either one is fine. And then in the let me know that you've done all 3. We will leave the drawing open until, let's say we'll do the drawing on August the 28th. And so I'll announce the winner on August the 29th. So that's for the $50 Etsy gift card to Betty's Custom Design. You can choose to spend that on digitals. You can choose to spend that on other items in my shop. It doesn't matter. But that way it'll be stuff that you pick out. So remember, like this video, comment, and share. And that should do it. So there you go, guys. There's the update for the giveaway. That was quick. I didn't think I was going to do it, but it was just, see how my mind works. I'm just crazy like that. So anyway, that's it, guys. I'm going to get off of here. I got things to do. Bye, guys.